So I just want to clarify with the adding the um, icd9 code will do for the flow sheet for the memory clinic flow sheet. So as you can see right now, I have flow sheets here. So when I upload the flow sheet, even though we're intending to hopefully use it within the health tracker, so we can pair it with the e-forms we're going to be building and the e-forms that currently exist. But right now, what happens is to see these flow sheets here. They need a diagnosis for these trigger here. So when we upload that new memory clinic flow sheet, it will react the same way if there is a diagnosis we can add to it, or even use the diagnosis for tagging the patient, so that way the memory clinic flow sheet will appear here. So if you wanted to use the old flow sheet, you still could. But within the health tracker, which makes it handy is having a code to use, is that, see these ones here, these are all ones that I'll kind of go, I'll show you. So if I go to the memory clinic one, you can see I'm getting warning, but there's no diagnosis, icd9 code, sorry, being presented here, because there isn't one. So we'd have to do this every time based on how this functions. So, but if we had a code in and we made the diagnosis, we can make it from within here. And then that way, once we make the diagnosis, this goes away and it will appear on this side. And that's the idea of using the icd9 code. It's good for tagging your patient for one, and it allows the memory flow sheet to be able to be pinned on this side, so that way it's always there. So that way when you close the tracker and you go back into it, I'll have to always continue to go down to here, where if you made a diagnosis or tag the patient, that it would appear up here. So let's see if I can just demonstrate that. I'll do it with this one. So it tells me, okay, there's this code available. So I just click on it. Now I have hypertension over here, and every time I open and close health tracker, I won't need to make the diagnosis anymore, and it will always just display right here. So okay, that's hopefully that clarifies the purpose of it.